Today I would like to discuss Cataiva process. Myself, Dr. Digna Varghese. Cataiva process. The Cataiva process is a method for the production of acetic acid by the carbonylation of methanol. The process is based on an iridium containing catalyst such as the complex IrCO2I2-. The reaction is methanol undergo carbonylation in the presence of diiodido dicarbonyl iridate 1 ion giving acetic acid. The technology of homogeneously catalyzed Cataiva process is similar to the Monsanto process. This process was developed by BP Chemicals. Initial studies by Monsanto had shown iridium to be less active than rhodium for the carbonylation of methanol. Subsequent research showed that the iridium catalyst could be promoted by ruthenium, and this combination leads to a catalyst that is superior to the rhodium-based systems. The switch from rhodium to iridium also allows the use of less water in the reaction mixture. This change reduces the number of drying columns necessary, decreases the formation of byproducts such as propionic acid, and suppresses the water-gas shift reaction. The Cataiva and Monsanto processes are sufficiently similar that they can use the same chemical plant. Mechanism for the Cataiva process. The Cataiva process is the carbonylation of methanol by using an iridium catalyst giving acetic acid. First step is the oxidative addition reaction. The reaction of methyl iodide with the square planar active catalyst species IrCO2I2- to form the octahedral iridium 3 species. Before that, the methyl iodide is formed from methanol and hydrogen iodide giving methyl iodide. This methyl iodide undergo oxidative addition reaction with the active catalyst giving an hexa-coordinate iridium 3 complex. We know the active catalyst is a 16 electron species and the oxidation state of iridium is +1, and coordination number of this complex is 4 and the geometry is square planar. But after oxidative addition of this catalyst with methyl iodide giving an 18 electron species, and the oxidation state of iridium is +3 and coordination number is 6, so it's an octahedral complex. This oxidative addition reaction involves the formal insertion of the iridium 1 center into the carbon iodine bond of methyl iodide. Second step, ligand exchange of iodide for the carbonyl in the hexa-coordinate complex takes place, that is CH3IrCO twice I3- by the elimination of iodide ion and addition of CO giving CH3IrCO3I2-. Third step is migratory insertion reaction. A migratory insertion of carbon monoxide into the iridium carbon bond takes place in this step. This results in the formation of a square pyramidal species with a bound acetyl ligand. In the case of CH3IR CO3I2-, one of the CO group is inserted between the metal and carbon bond and forming acetyl ligand. Bound acetyl ligand in this particular complex, that is CH3COIRCO2I2-. Fourth step is reductive elimination step. The active catalyst species IRCO2I2- is regenerated by the reductive elimination of acetyl iodide from the acetyl ligand bound complex, that is, this is a deinsertion reaction. CH3COIRCO2I2- in the presence of I- giving CH3COI plus IRCO2I2-. The catalyst is regenerated and acetyl iodide is formed. Fifth step is hydrolysis. The acetyl iodide is hydrolyzed to produce the acetic acid product. In the process of generating hydroiodic acid, which is in turn used to convert the starting material to the methyl iodide used in the first step. The acetyl iodide is hydrolyzed to give acetic acid and hydrogen iodide. This hydrogen iodide is used to convert the starting material, that is methanol to methyl iodide. Methanol to methyl iodide by using the same hydrogen iodide in the reaction. Catalytic cycle for the Kateva process is: this is the active catalyst in which methyl iodide is added by an oxide reaction. Methyl iodide is formed by when the reactant molecule methanol is reacted with HI giving methyl iodide, which is added to the active catalyst species and giving hexacoordinate complex. To this, a carbonyl ligand is added and a iodide ligand is eliminated from this particular complex and giving CH3COIRCO3 thrice I2-. In this case, one of the CO ligand is migratory inserted between the carbon and the iridium metal and forming acetyl ligand bound complex. From this, reductive elimination occurs by the addition of I- giving acetyl iodide, and the catalyst is regenerated here, and the acetyl iodide is undergo hydrolysis giving acetic acid, and the process is repeated. So it can be represented by a catalytic cycle. The Kateva process, the industrial plant layout is shown here. In this, both the reactants such as methanol and carbon monoxide is added to the reactor, and also the catalyst is also added to the reactor. Carbonylation reaction taking place, and after this the catalyst is separated and returned to the reactor. The product is passed to the distillation unit. After that the high boiling impurities are separated here, and several drying columns are here. In the Catawba process, number of drying columns is lesser than that of the Monsanto acetic acid process because it's a less water treatment. And after distillation and drying, we get the pure acetic acid. If any impurities or waste materials are there, it is separated from the main reactor and also from the distillation and drying chamber, and it is further undergo for waste treatment. Thank you.